In some curious news now, and smelters have been the only processing solution in a growing $25 billion yearly market of platinum and palladium extraction, but now they are refusing to accept these materials due to the processing problems. Mineworx is the company that is recovering 90% of these precious metals in a CleanTech proprietary process, which has seen them become the industry leaders in this area. And Mineworx CEO Greg Pendura joins me now for more. Welcome to the program.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Now, this is an interesting one. So how has Mineworx been involved into, being able to secure this opportunity? It seems like a real niche to jump on board.
It is a real niche. We've been working in this area for between 2 and 3 years now in an R&D perspective, refining the technology to be able to do this. And successfully we've accomplished that in our pilot plant in Canada. We've relocated that pilot plant to our joint venture partners in the United States, and we were doing our final process optimization runs to get into commercial production. So it's been a good journey.
Yeah, it's all happening. So how has environmental issues impacted the development of all of this from your end and what you've seen?
Well, as you were saying, on the smelters have been in the news for a good many years here with the toxicity of producing the smelting aspect of the business, and there hasn't been a commercially viable alternative to smelters up until this time. So once we begin our commercial production in this area, we will be able to compete effectively economic-wise with the smelter, but be able to do it in a environmentally friendly manner. So the way the regulatory world is changing over the last few years here, we're going to be getting a lot of interest, not just from the regulatory side, but from the green investment side as well. So our shareholders are pretty excited about that opportunity to move forward.
And so they should be. It's great to see companies actually taking action at the moment and taking more note of what people are really after in the future of our planet. But what are some of the developmental milestones to becoming commercial, just off the top of your head, if you could?
Well, I mean, of course, the first part of our R&D is we have a chemistry process whereby, and very simply, our partners will process the catalytic converter into a fine powder, if you like. Our technology is dealing with that fine powder in a solution leaching environment where we basically extract the platinum and the palladium from the solution, and then we refine that into primarily a pure product, both platinum and palladium. The final product is primarily sent to a refiner for sale, if you like. But the whole process we do in-house, and it's, as I said, it's a CleanTech environmentally friendly whole process. And due to that, we'll be obviously involved in the carbon credit market as well, which will be a secondary source of revenue for us.
Incredible stuff. It sounds like you guys have got it all worked out, but none of this happens on its own, I imagine. What sort of partnerships have you made to make all of this a success, Greg?
Well, the first part was basically our own. We had to develop our technology to get to a point, and once we achieved that, we were all able to get the attention of a very large recycler in the United States, Davis Recycling, who are now our joint venture partners, and we'll move forward with them as we commercialize the technology. But they are a key component to our success in the future because they have the expertise in the supply chain management aspect of this business, which is it's crucial. And you're dealing with a tremendous amount of money as you're dealing with the large volumes of platinum and palladium recovery. So you have to know how to buy it, you have to know how to inventory it properly, and it's a very complex basis. Our job is simple. It's just to use our proprietary technology to extract the platinum and the palladium. So it's a partnership made, as the old proverbial saying goes, made in heaven. We're very, very fortunate to be involved with this company.
100%. Greg, thank you so much for your time today, and I hope the metals shine bright for you and the company's future. So thanks again for coming on the program and talking to us about it.
Thank you very much.